Hey everybody, my name is David Silverberg, and today we're going to be talking all about tags, which is going to be a great feature for you to use to organize all of your contacts and matters using any keywords that you care about. To get started, let's make a new contact. And on this new contact page, toward the bottom, we're going to see our tags field. We can use any of our existing tags that we might have in this drop-down list just by clicking in and clicking into any existing tag, or we can create a new tag simply by typing it in. The three most common types of tags that I see are the type of person that it is, so whether it is a trainer like I am, whether it is a lawyer, a doctor, a client, a lead, whoever they are, you can go ahead and just type it in. So new client, for example. I already have one here, but you could always hit add new tag anytime you want to create a brand new tag. Another common type of tag is where they found you from, which is why I started this one with the AVO tag. But however they told you that they found you, you can go ahead and tag them with that referral source. Another common one is maybe how they are as clients. So maybe this is a great way for you to track sensitive clients versus not. The sky's really the limit here. You can literally type in whatever you want. So you can have a long list of different styles of categorizing these contacts. We have the same functionality to categorize our matters as well. So you can either tag your contacts and or tag your matters, maybe by the case type, for example. Now, when we go to our contacts list, I can use these tags right here on the top of the list using the tags filter and selecting one or more tags that I like to search through. So if I want to see a list of all the contacts that found me from AVO specifically, I can go ahead and click on AVO, and it's only going to show me the list of contacts that came to me that way. You can have more than one tag selected at a time if, for example, you would like to go ahead and pull up a very specific list of people. So I only want to see the people that found me from AVO that are also promoters. So you can see exactly how many promoters came from AVO specifically. You can also use these tags on literally any report or any other big picture page on the top. So when I'm looking at my activities list, for example, I can go ahead and see that I have the same tags feature right here on the top. Say I only want to see my activities for, let's see here, I only want to see my activities for my new clients, for example. And this is going to pull up a list of all the activities I have that have the contact with the tag new client. So this allows you to really pull up any list of people. A really cool example of this would actually be if you wanted to go to your payments page and maybe track your payments based on the referral source. So I could see all of the payments that came in from my AVO referral source to see exactly how much money that referral source brought into my firm. It's important to keep in mind, you can actually go to your contacts list. Let's say you don't want to have to go through every single contact and maybe add or change these tags. We can actually check them off on our contacts or matters list, hit the gears icon right here, and batch edit them to be able to add tags or remove tags in bulk. So on these three contacts, I want to add the tag Google Ads because they found me from Google. I understand and save. Yes. And just like that, all of these guys here just got the tag Google Ads. So when I go to search Google Ads, they're going to come up. And that's it. Enjoy.